Hey guys, it's Vicki Kenner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I have a treat for my fellow consultants, my fellow sisters and misters. We are going to be making our own fragrance testers. Now, some of you are like, girl, I already know how to do that. But then there's some people who literally, they're like, wow, I never even thought of that. Anyways, so that's what we're doing. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing because we have so much fun here. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you know when I post something new. All right, guys, let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, why would we make our own testers? Well, you know, a lot of our collections and our licensed stuff, we don't get testers for it. And even if we did, we wouldn't get PRV on it. Like when we get Bring Back My Bar, we get PRV on the sample kit, but we don't get PRV if they were to offer any sort of testers. They used to offer testers, but they don't. So that is why it is so awesome to be able to make your own. Plus, when you switch from one catalog to another, why buy 3 sets of the new releases or whatever? Why buy a bunch of new release, testers when you can just make your own from one bar of wax and get PRV on it, right? Right. Okay. So it is super cheap and super easy peasy to do it. Okay. So I bought these at the Dollar Tree, $1.25. Okay. I need to go back and get more because I bought these a while ago and I had used some to make my Valentine's Day and my Easter collection. And I need to go buy and get some more. But these are $1.25. I'm sure you could probably find them at 99-cent store as well. They're little storage containers. They have a bunch of different ones. You can also get the ones that are like little paint pots. But they're in the crafting section. So that's where you will find these. Also, you're going to need some sort of label. You can cut up larger labels. You could do what you want. I use these little circle labels. Now, you can print this out and make it look nice and neat. I don't have time for all that. I'm not trying to do all that. I just write it down. But, so the ones that I'm going to do today are licensed. Oh, also, so you're going to need these. You're going to need a pen. You're going to need something to cut up. I can't find my cutter. I don't know where it is. But anywho, so you're going to have to find something to cut up your wax. And then you are going to need something to melt your wax. I've got 2 going right now. I have my, hold on, I'm going to unplug it and just show you. In case you're new and you don't know how samples are made, this is a Wilton chocolate melter. And I have 2 of them so that I can do a lot at one time. So you're going to need something like that. So let's just go ahead and I'm going to show you what to do. And you're going to be like, oh my God, that is super easy peasy. Why didn't I think of it? First of all, I'm going to show you the ones that I'm working on today. Like I said, I'm doing licensed bars. So what do we have released right now? Well, our Star Wars is available. So I'm going to do my dark side bar, my light side bar. That's what I have going, I think, right now. My Mandalorian Air of Adventure. My Ariel, The Little Mermaid Kiss the Girl, and my Ariel Under the Sea, and my Lion King Circle of Life. So I'm doing those, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I have a bar of the new Lion King that I'm going to be getting, so then I can make a tester of that. And then, I mean, I'm not saying, I'm just saying, I want to make these. Anywho, so that's what I'm doing. So basically, you don't need, for one of these, you don't need a full cube. You only need like, I use like a third of a cube. Basically, people just need to be able to smell it. So you open it up, and then you take out your little melter. You literally pour in the melted wax. Okay? And then you let it harden. And while that's cooling, you take your lid. And what I like to do a lot of times is, which I forgot to do it here, is I like to make 2 stickers, one for the bottom, one for the top. That way, if the lid, like let's say you're having a party and the lid gets separated from the tester, you'll know which is which. So this one is the light side. So just literally, I mean, I know it seems so simple, but you know, I remember the first time I realized I can do this, I was like, why didn't I know that? So boom sauce, there you go. So like, let's say you want to make 3 or 4 sets of Bring Back My Bar for when those come out, like for your parties or whatever, however many sets you want, you know, grab that sampler and make your own testers. That is so easy peasy, you guys. Literally, boom, tester. I know you're like, Vicki, that's so simple. Why did you even make a video about that? Because we have new consultants who are like, I didn't know we can do that. I mean, there's going to be some new consultants that are like, yeah, duh. But other ones are like, maybe they're not as creative. I don't know. Everyone thinks differently. They're like, dude, I didn't even realize that we can do that. Yes, you can. And it's super easy. And why not get PRV off this, you know? So what I always do, whether I like the bar or not, I buy a bar of every single limited edition LTO, whether it's my jam or not. Why is that? Well, for one, every time it comes out, like I have this one, right? And I have my buddy. Now I can take pictures and be like, because I have my buddy and I have my bar. If you don't want the buddy, you don't have to buy the buddy. But if you have a bar, you can be like, and now you got your picture. So I always buy a bar of every single one, so that like when things are getting ready to come out, I can be like, hey, my pictures, you know what I mean? So I'm not saying, I'm just saying. Just saying. Anyways, so that's my video. That was it. I just wanted to share that idea. So get you thinking, because we, you know, pretty soon our sampler is going to drop. I'm hoping that they release it today, because it's Thursday, and Thursday is my favorite day of the week. Why is that, Vicki? Because in the afternoon when they update the workstation, like today, this morning, they already dropped that the llama is coming out. So I'm thinking later on, if they haven't already, by the time you see this, they're going to be like, hey guys, the sampler's available, or it's going to be available for Monday. So that's that, you guys. That is that. All right, so that's my video. So it is a Thursday. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day and all that jazz. And let me know if you have done this in the comments, or if you're like, Vicki, never thought of it, because I remember when I first thought of it, I was like, why didn't I think of this before? Why have I been buying like several, what are they called? You guys, my COVID brain. This is ridiculous. When we get a new, you guys know what I'm talking about. When we get a new catalog and just the seasonal kit, I'll have all the other ones that were there last year, but then the new releases I want to make extra testers of. You guys know, I swear I feel like I have dementia. It's horrible. That COVID really messed with my head. Anyways, you guys know what I'm talking about. And I'll think about it as soon as I'm done with this video. Anyway, love you guys. Have a great day. Stay blessed. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.